In the realm of business, regardless of size or industry, effectively managing finances is not just important. It's absolutely essential for survival and growth. While spreadsheets and manual tracking might suffice for very small operations, as businesses expand, the complexity of financial data explodes. This is where accounting software like Sage steps in, offering a structured and powerful solution to navigate the intricacies of money management. But what exactly is the purpose of Sage accounting? Let's break it down in simple terms. At its core, the fundamental purpose of Sage accounting software is to organize and manage a business's financial transactions and information in a systematic and efficient manner. Think of it as a central hub where all monetary activities, from income generated through sales to expenses incurred for operations, are recorded, categorized, and processed. This centralized system provides a clear and comprehensive overview of the company's financial health. One of the primary purposes of Sage is to streamline bookkeeping processes. Traditionally, bookkeeping involved meticulous manual recording of every financial transaction in ledgers. This was time-consuming, prone to errors, and often difficult to analyze. Sage automates many of these tasks, allowing businesses to record income and expenses quickly and accurately. Features like automated bank reconciliation, where transactions recorded by the business are matched with bank statements, significantly reduce manual effort and the risk of discrepancies. This efficiency frees up valuable time for business owners and finance teams to focus on more strategic activities. Beyond basic recording, Sage serves the crucial purpose of generating accurate and timely financial reports. These reports are vital for understanding the business's performance and making informed decisions. Sage can produce a range of essential reports, including profit and loss income statement. This report summarizes revenues, costs, and expenses over a specific period, revealing whether the business is making a profit or a loss. Balance sheet. This provides a snapshot of a company's assets, what it owns, liabilities, what it owes, and equity, the owner's stake, at a specific point in time. It demonstrates the company's financial position. Cash flow statement. This tracks the movement of cash both into and out of the business over a period, highlighting its ability to meet short-term obligations and fund future growth. These reports, generated with ease by Sage, provide invaluable insights into the financial health and performance of the business. They enable stakeholders, including owners, managers, and investors, to assess profitability, liquidity, and solvency. Another key purpose of Sage is to facilitate compliance with regulatory requirements. Businesses are often obligated to adhere to various accounting standards and tax laws. Sage helps businesses stay compliant by providing features that aid in accurate record-keeping, tax calculations, and the generation of necessary financial statements for regulatory bodies. This reduces the risk of penalties and ensures the business operates within legal frameworks. Furthermore, Sage plays a significant role in improving financial analysis and decision-making. By organizing financial data in a structured format and generating insightful reports, Sage empowers businesses to analyze trends, identify areas of strength and weakness, and make data-driven decisions. For instance, by analyzing sales data and expense reports, a business can identify its most profitable products or services and areas where costs can be reduced. This informed decision-making is crucial for sustainable growth and profitability. Sage also serves the purpose of enhancing collaboration and communication within the business. Depending on the specific Sage package and user permissions, multiple users can access and work with financial data simultaneously. This allows different departments, such as sales, purchasing, and finance, to have a shared view of relevant financial information, fostering better communication and coordination. Moreover, Sage can be integrated with other business systems, such as customer relationship management, CRM, and enterprise resource planning, ERP software. This integration streamlines data flow across different business functions, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. For example, sales data from a CRM can automatically feed into Sage, ensuring accurate revenue tracking. In the context of project management, which demands meticulous tracking of budgets, expenses, and revenue generated by projects, Sage becomes an indispensable tool. It allows project managers and finance teams to monitor project costs against budgets, track invoicing and payments related to projects, and assess the financial performance of individual projects. This level of financial oversight is critical for ensuring project profitability and making informed decisions about resource allocation and project scope. In essence, the purpose of Sage accounting software extends far beyond simply recording numbers. It acts as a vital tool for businesses to organize and centralize financial data, automate and streamline bookkeeping processes, generate accurate and timely financial reports, ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, facilitate in-depth financial analysis, support informed decision-making, enhance internal collaboration, integrate with other business systems, provide crucial financial insights for project management. By fulfilling these purposes, Sage empowers businesses to gain a clear understanding of their financial health, operate efficiently, make strategic decisions, and ultimately achieve their financial goals. It transforms raw financial data into actionable intelligence, making it an indispensable asset for any business striving for success in today's competitive landscape.